Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to schedule Reels with Facebook Creator Studio on Facebook and on Instagram. So you can actually do both. So first of all, let's go to Facebook and go to create new, go to create reel, and here you can choose a reel right here. You can go and choose a page, right? And then as you can see, this is the reel and this is, we can edit here. We can resize it right to original or resize to 9 again 16, or we can trim the video. We can also publish the video here and schedule it as well, and then we can also save it as a draft. Now what you can do is you can actually publish this video to Facebook, and later on after you publish, you can go here to Instagram, go to create post, go to Instagram feed, and then go to add content, and from Facebook page. Here you can select which videos you want to upload or which reels you want to upload to your Instagram page from your Facebook page, right? Now what's so good about this is you can actually go add content from file upload, and you can click on the reel, and then you can write your caption, you can create your cover image, and that's pretty much it, right? And this is how you can schedule. Here you can go schedule, and then you can schedule the reel and just click schedule, and this will schedule your Instagram reel on Instagram, right? Now again, you have two options right here, which is IG video. IG video is not Instagram reel, so just keep that in mind. This is just for the videos or posts that are 60 seconds or longer. Now Instagram feed is used for posts, videos, and everything that's shorter than 60 seconds. So just keep that in mind. So this is basically how to schedule Reels with Facebook Creator Studio on Facebook business page and on Instagram as well. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah, we'll see you again in the next tutorial video.